Welcome to Food for Life. Today we are going to prepare a different item, Tamil Nadu style sambar. So let's see how to prepare it. I have posted the ingredients in the description box. So let's go into the video. So the ingredients for this sambar powder: 1.5 teaspoon chana dal, 2 teaspoons coriander seeds, and little bit of methi. Don't add too much of methi, little bit of methi for flavor, and coconut pieces, and little bit of jeera or cumin seeds, and I have taken 4 red chilies. You can take as per your spice level. So first we are going to fry all these things. We are going to roast these things with little bit of oil. So now I am going to add chana dal and coriander seeds into it. Meanwhile, I am just adding this red chilies, and I am adding all the ingredients except this coconut. So give it a fry. Let it roast for 2 minutes. It's roasted well now. Now I am adding this coconut pieces. Switch off the flame and transfer it into a plate. So let it cool down, and then you grind it into, by adding water, grind it into a fine powder. So let these roasted items cool down. In the meantime, we will prepare the sambar. So first, in the kadai or pan, I am adding 2 spoons of oil, and then add mustard seeds. Now add this onion pieces, fry it well. Now add the tomato pieces. Let the tomatoes cook well. Add little bit of salt into it so that the tomatoes will cook fast. So to add the vegetables, I have taken the pumpkin pieces, carrot pieces, and capsicum pieces. You can even add a drumstick or radish or any vegetables of your choice. So add the vegetables and add little bit of water into it. Let it cook well. So now the vegetables are cooked well. I have soaked the tamarind and extracted the tamarind juice out of it. Now I am adding this tamarind juice into it. Salt. And turmeric powder into it. So let it boil for 5 minutes. It has to completely cook because tamarind has to cook well. So let it boil for 5 minutes. So it is boiling well now. In the meanwhile, I am grinding the items. This has become cool. So I am grinding the items. By adding water into it, make it as a fine paste. Along with this, I am going to add the raw onion into it. It is a very small size raw onion, and I cut it into pieces. I am adding it. So grind it by adding water into it as a fine powder. It's boiling well. See, I have grinded the items by adding water into it. This I am adding into it. So along with that, I am adding this green chilies also. So let it boil for another 2 minutes. So it's boiling well. I have already cooked the tur dal by adding water and turmeric powder into it for 4 whistles. This I am adding it into it. So now you can adjust the salt as per your taste. It's boiling well. Now add the curry leaves and coriander leaves. And switch off the flame and transfer it into a bowl. So the Tamil Nadu style sambar is ready now. You can eat with hot rice and little bit of ghee into it. Thank you for watching it, and you try it out and let me know your feedback in the comment section. And if you like this video, press the like button and subscribe to Food for Life.